Imagine finishing a meeting and instantly knowing what was decided, what you need to do next, and who owes the follow-up. Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we unpack the promises and risks of AI shaping how we work. I'm Grace, your safety and compliance expert, here to ask what happens when meetings start remembering everything.
And I'm Joshua, your tech enthusiast who thinks this might finally make meetings less painful. Today's Spotlight. Zoom just brought its AI assistant to the web, and even free users can try it.
Zoom has launched AI Companion 3.0 on the web, giving free users access to meeting summaries, action items, in-meeting questions, and AI note-taking, with limits.
Free users can use it in up to 3 meetings per month, ask 20 AI questions, and get summaries, or pay $10 a month to unlock more.
This is important because Zoom's AI isn't guessing what happened. It was actually in the meeting. It knows who spoke, what was shared, and what decisions were made. That context gives Zoom a real advantage.
Exactly. This isn't just transcription, it's understanding. And Zoom is expanding that context by connecting the AI to Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Zoom's own Ada, with Gmail and Outlook coming soon.
But when an AI connects meetings, documents, and tasks, governance matters. Zoom uses a mix of its own models along with OpenAI and Anthropic, which makes data handling and permissions critical.
True, but Zoom has handled sensitive meeting data for years. If any company understands meeting context at scale, it's probably them.
The AI Companion also generates daily reflection reports, summarizing meetings, tasks, and updates, and can draft follow-up emails automatically.
For people drowning in meetings, that's real value. No more, "what did I miss" messages.
Zoom is also pushing into documents. Users can draft docs from meetings, collaborate in Zoom Docs, and export to PDF, Word, or Markdown.
Which tells us Zoom isn't just a video app anymore. It wants to own the workflow around meetings, competing with Google, Microsoft, and Notion.
The bigger signal is this. AI assistants are no longer premium add-ons. They're becoming the baseline, even for free users.
Meetings may never be fun, but at least now they might finally be useful.
That's today's Pente Spotlight. Stay aware, stay compliant, and remember, AI can summarize your meetings, but you still own the decisions.
Like, share, and subscribe, because AI productivity tools aren't slowing down.